Hi, it's Anthony from Bookkeeper 360. On today's video, I wanted to talk to you about one of our favorite partners that we love to work with, and that is one of our payroll partners, Gusto. Gusto is a full-service payroll solution that covers all 50 states in the United States. Gusto is probably one of our favorite partners because they mix technology and payroll into one and make things super simple and super easy for small business owners. Also, just like most of our clients that use Xero, Gusto is also the preferred payroll provider for Xero. So you know you're gonna have a really great integration and everything will be sure to run smoothly. Gusto could really be broken down into 4 different parts: onboarding, making sure your employees are getting paid, benefits, and then customer support. Let's tackle onboarding first. Onboarding, you can really look at it 2 different ways. One, you onboarding with Gusto, making sure you're actually going onto the full service payroll solution, making sure you're staying compliant as well. So doing all your registrations, doing all the unemployment insurance, things like that. After all of that is taken care of, you're gonna wanna make sure your employees are getting onboarded onto Gusto properly and correctly. And they always will be. Your employees can get offer letters directly from Gusto. They can even onboard themselves on Gusto themselves to make things really super and easy for you. You can make sure you do all of your new employee setups, things like that, all on the Gusto platform so things also stay super simple and organized. What's next? Getting paid. You know, everyone wants to work to get an actual paycheck, and Gusto makes sure that that is super and simple, super easy for you. Gusto is a full-service payroll solution, so all the taxes and withholdings will be taken out. So you won't actually have the liability of running payroll yourself. Gusto will take that on for you. So just with a few extra clicks, what Gusto will do is actually calculate the withholdings and input that directly into your employees' paychecks, and those numbers will come right out for you. There's nothing you really need to do because Gusto will do all that work. From there, everything syncs automatically. The time tracking that you can do inside of Gusto, new hires, the benefits can be taken out of there. And speaking of benefits, let's talk about Gusto's benefits. Gusto wants to keep everyone happy and healthy. And the way that they do that is by providing you with benefit programs. You can have everything from medical to dental to vision, long-term, short-term disability, health saving accounts, flex spending accounts, anything you'd really want or have desired from a benefits program you can get with Gusto. They work with companies like Blue Cross Blue Shield, Oscar, United Healthcare, and some other bigger insurance companies. So you know you're gonna get coverage the way that you want it for a good cost as well. I know personally as an employee, you wanna make sure that you're getting the best coverage possible at the best cost. And I think that Gusto really does a great job of providing that for their clients. Now, let's go into the support aspect of it. When it comes to support, you get tons of great benefits from Gusto. They'll have things like commuter benefits for you, things like 529 college saving accounts for your children, 401k retirement plans, and they really have a lot of great tools for you to use there. I've really just touched the surface on a lot of the great benefits that Gusto does have to offer. And if you do have any additional questions about Gusto or any of their great features, be sure to drop a comment in the comment section below and our team can go ahead and help you out there. If you would like to have a little bit of a deeper conversation about what Gusto has to offer you, or if you'd like a company like Bookkeeper 360 to run payroll on your behalf, be sure to click the links in the description below. I'll leave a link to our website as well as a scheduling link so you can speak to someone like me a little bit more about Gusto. I do hope you did enjoy this video and learn a little bit more about Gusto. If you'd like, be sure to subscribe so you can watch a little bit more videos like this as we come out with them. I do want to say thank you for watching this video, and if you do want to contact Bookkeeper 360, we can definitely make running your business just a little bit easier.